I was fixing my video.
Speak off.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. We've done a couple circles all around. You want to head out of here?
I want us to do one more circle, and then.
I'm going to start walking towards the corner, and I'll call for you. Raise your hand when you're ready for me to yell for you. Find your way back to me, okay?
All right.
I have to buy this board from you.
Yeah, you're good.
Although I like your board better, just because of the tires.
Yeah.
All right, let me know.
All right. All right, guys. So we're gonna continue our little circle journey here. The video stopped. I don't know what the hell happened, but here we go. We're gonna do this a couple more times, and then we'll be done. Make sure, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and please enjoy my videos, because we're going to be making a lot more videos to come. And this thing just freaking hauls ass through the dirt. Hauls ass. This thing is freaking awesome. I'm just surfing this grass like a badass here, guys. Alright, guys. So the impressions of this board. This thing is awesome. It goes through the grass. You can ride this thing in the dirt. No problem. And I'm just freaking surfing this grass here. You're this way? Where are ya? Thing just falls. And I'm not even going that fast, guys. This thing is freaking... And it's so quiet too, you can't even hear the freaking motors going.
Okay, slow down. Ooh. A little more. Fence is going to be to your left here in just about 1.5 feet, 2 feet. Fence to your left. Fence to your left. There you go.
Yes. All right, guys, that is the end. Like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.
That was awesome. That was awesome. Dude, you drove it back. Dude, you drove it perfectly. You did left and right turns like it was nothing.
Yeah.
The other day you couldn't do one turn, but the other.
Yeah.
See what happens with just a 1 or 2 days practice?
Yeah.
There you go. You can take my remote too.
All right.
Bring it on over to the corner. I'll take the board back again if you got to get down, okay?
All right. Alright guys, that is it for the video. Because of the recording problem, there are 2 videos now. So please like and subscribe and look forward to my future videos about opinions on RVs and the accessibility.